and welcome back to another episode of Zubymart, guys. This one today is going to be part 2 of the shopping online safety, but also a little bit of an instructional video for those of you who are maybe a bit skeptical or are not too familiar with the site's interface. So join me today as we do a quick 1, 2, 3 step on how you are able to purchase an item on Zubymart. Yes, we will be going with you step by step through the screenshot cutscene. So let's get into it, guys. And of course, the gear that you see in front of you is the beast that I use to edit and cut my videos using DaVinci Resolve. This is the 2015 Inspiron N5553. It's not too old, but it definitely gets the job done. So for me, this thing is an absolute beast. I picked it up for a bit of a deal. This was obviously way before. If you guys want to see this product on the website, we can list it for you. So let's get into it. So obviously here we have the front of the store. As you guys can see, we've got the new promo going on. With every smartphone purchase, you guys will be eligible for a free smartwatch. An amazing deal, we think. Obviously trying to get the hype going, but we just love you guys so much, man. We love you guys. Zubs, tell them we love them.
We love you guys.
Oh my gosh, that was...
Stock loss.
Oh, yeah, like while stocks last, that's what Zubs is all about, you know, trying to get the best to you guys first. So let's get into it. We can go into cell phones, of course. That's the main thing that we are dealing with on this website. Here we have a few of our lineup here. Let's see, what do we have? Let's go for the Oukitel C8. Something within the affordability bracket. So obviously we've got 5 different colors here. I'll go with the dark. No, I like blue. Well, it's more like a sky blue. We'll add it to the cart, and obviously the cart pops up. We've got it for $137. Well, of course, if you guys want to see how much it costs in rands, we have the currency converter, which you click on. That'll pop up in the front of the screen. So obviously the site lists everything in US dollars because it is international. You have the selector option on the bottom here, so you'll just scroll all the way down. It's alphabetically listed, so you'll just scroll down until you see South African Rand. Type in the amount of the item in US dollars, $137. It's just over 2,000 Rand. Yeah, so you will be paying 2,000 Rand for this. Our option is a bit long, eh? The built-in option into the website. The normal checkout option. What about PayPal?
Any site that offers PayPal takes it to the airport.
Okay, so we're going to choose the PayPal option just because it is international, it is trusted, and it is quite secure. In fact, one of the most secure. I, of course, have got my own address listed here. So I will punch in my password, which will obviously then take me to the final option of confirming the payment on PayPal's interface. So as you can see, I'm being securely logged in, and there we are. It does add on a little bit extra onto the original price because PayPal are offering their service. Not much, but if I were to click continue, this would confirm the payment and the delivery of the item to me. I haven't chosen the expediting option. Of course, that would still add on a little bit extra, but of course, as we mentioned before, it would get straight to your door much quicker and in a more convenient fashion than you having to go to the post office. Okay, so going back to the same item again, so if we choose the other option, we would, if we go down to the bottom of the page, we actually have the normal checkout option. That's where you would list your credit card as is. This is without PayPal, of course. As I said, we do have the 2 shipping options. Expedited shipping is more expensive, but obviously much faster and more convenient, straight to your door. So we click that as well. The offline payments, of course, this would be where you would then physically go to a bank and deposit money using these details. But we just feel, personally, I feel PayPal, well, if you want to register with PayPal, it's just way more convenient and perhaps a lot more secure because you are in the safety and the comfort of your own home. So there we have it, guys. That is shopping with us here at Zubymart. We hope this instruction was a little bit informative and maybe just eases some of you guys' concerns who've visited the website before but maybe were a bit too hesitant or couldn't show too much trust. We are still young. We will be growing the website as well. Thank you for those of you that have been watching our videos and subscribing. We are coming with more stuff in the future, so stay with us, guys. Please like and subscribe to this video if you enjoyed it, and keep watching and sharing and liking the channel, guys. We really appreciate everything. Those of you who are following, much appreciated, much love, and we'll see you in the next one, guys.